This is the elevator at UCM in Warrensburg, Missouri. There's a notice. This is a very big cab. Never seen one this big before. It's a 2-speed door. Let's go down to LL. Very smooth going up. That big motor. Door closed works. Let's get a cab view of this thing. There's all metal walls. You can see my reflection. It's a very nice elevator, but I've never seen one this size. It's a huge. I've seen bigger ones on YouTube, but goodness, this is huge. Let's go down to LL. Lantern up there. Let's ring the bell here. Yeah, have a good day. Very smooth going up. You don't even feel like it's moving until you hear the motor. There's a vending machine. Some goodies. Some really good stuff. Let's bring it down. One more round trip and we'll end off the video. LL. I'll do 2 more round trips. So there's one up at the indicator and the other one will be back at the cab. Nice leveling. Alright, so let's go back up and I'll be in the back of it. We'll go back up and then we'll go back down, being in the back of the cab. That is one heck of a motor.